In from Maharashtra, where there's a big claim that has been made by an Ajit faction MLA ahead of the Maharashtra Assembly elections. Atul Banke says that the Ajit faction will merge with Sharad Pawar, saying Ajit may ally with Sharad Pawar. Anything is possible before the state elections. Listen in.
विधानसभेच्या निवडणुकीला अजून 1.5-2 महिन्याचा टाइम आहे. त्या विधानसभेच्या निवडणुकीच्या वेळेस सामोरं जात असताना काही होऊ शकतं. काही म्हणजे काही. त्याच्यावर आता लगेच भाष्य करण्यात काय अर्थ आहे का? यदा कदाचित महायुती म्हणून आम्ही जेव्हा पुढे जातोय तर महायुतीतून सीट शेअरिंग वरून काय होऊ शकतं. यदा कदाचित दादा आणि साहेब एकत्र येऊ शकतात.
My colleague Nilesh is joining us on the broadcast with the details. This could be a big turning point in the Maharashtra elections, especially after what happened in the Lok Sabha elections. Nilesh, there are already speculations that the Ajit faction may go back to the Sharad faction and the NCP may unite. Is this an admission by the Ajit faction MLA?
Well, absolutely. When we look into the state of Maharashtra, not just Lok Sabha election, but assembly election, which is just about 2 months away from. Elections are very, filled with curiosity, and with a major claim which is being made by the NCP Ajit Pawar faction MLA, it seems like the upcoming days will be even more interesting. On the one hand, where we can see the BJP's alliance is somewhat claiming that it was Ajit Pawar due to whom the Mahayuti alliance had to face damage. And in this particular scenario, Ajit Pawar's faction is also keeping its door open in alliance with the Maha Vikas Aghadi, that is going again back to to his uncle, that is Senior Pawar Sharad Pawar. So this is a very big claim, would be seen as a turning point into the upcoming assembly elections, because various claims are being made, being in the alliance of Mahayuti, that Ajit Pawar should be the next CM of the state, replacing Eknath Shinde. Will it be done is a big scenario to be seen, because BJP at moment is facing backlashes, not just in the center but also in the state on various aspects, be it the Maratha reservation factor or be it the OBC factor. Ajit Pawar is trying to connect. Hence, as we know, he will be celebrating his birthday on 22nd. And before this, various celebration is also being made, various public rallies is also being conducted. And this is one of the aspects where Ajit Pawar is trying to connect to the people of Maharashtra. As Devendra Fadnavis earlier had also mentioned that we need to connect to people, because the false narrative that Maha Vikas Aghadi had been successfully claiming, we have to debunk it.
All right, Nilesh, request you to stay on.